Our project is on a smart and hygienic kitchens and restaurants and hybrid cities. Some of the drawbacks which today's kitchens are facing include short of standards and lack of proper staff support. We have come up with ideas to tackle these problems such as advanced water tank enabled with water quality sensors and UV filtration lamps which improves the water quality in restaurants. Kitchen will be equipped with temperature sensors, humidity sensors and toxic gas sensors to prevent any hazard.
The app is also equipped with artificial intelligence, which makes the user experience more user friendly and technology more reliable.
Based on the data, the algorithm will give an effective rating to the kitchen on regular basis, and customers ordering through an food outlet can get an immersive view of the hygiene standards.
We have also created an app named Smart Property, which enables the user to buy, sell, or rent their property. Our app helps the customers to get the perfect property according to their budget. Customers can filter their listings according to their amenities, functions, area, and provisions of the property.
To better understand, we also carried out a competitor research and enabled the main pros and cons and then built a different prototype which would be more useful. The user may choose tags describing the room they want. The tags will be used by app algorithm which would help the user to make a perfect match.
Our app features a matching algorithm that establishes the connection between the tenant and the landlord based on their preferences, which saves a lot of time for both the tenant and the landlord. Now it would be much easier to share a profile or room along with its features with the help of our app. This app promises budget shelter to everyone according to their needs. We have now made it possible for users who have just downloaded the app to view the property suggestions without logging in or signing up, which makes the app more user friendly.